Today, we expect to learn more about how families will benefit from a disaster declaration for Illinois after all that historic flooding earlier this summer.
Yesterday, we told you President Joe Biden approved federal funding for the state this week. CBS 2's Muko Odigwe joining us live with details on this much-needed help for families, many of them right here in our area. Muko.
Yeah, so in the past few weeks, we've been telling you about many of those families and business owners still dealing with the damage that storms from earlier this summer left behind. Now, though, they will get some help in the form of funding. It was just this Tuesday when President Joe Biden approved the disaster declaration. It comes after historic storms that caused significant flooding in late June and early July. Now, the move makes way for federal funding to help with storm recovery. We're talking about things like grants for temporary housing and home repairs, along with low-cost loans to cover uninsured property losses. There'll also be other programs to help homeowners and businesses recover from the flooding. And that brings us to later this afternoon at 3. That is when Mayor Brandon Johnson, along with state and federal leaders, will hold a news conference to talk about the federal funding that is now available. Now, if you are a homeowner or a business owner, you do have to apply for that federal funding, and all that information is available on our website right now, cbschicago.com. For now, we're live along the lakefront. Muko Odigwe, CBS 2 News.